And now this is the season of giving, and Meals on Wheels Odessa and the Red Cross did just that today as they provided a free helpful service to our local senior residents. Hunter Alcocer has more on how these seniors were assisted. Hunter.
Christina, Meals on Wheels and the Red Cross teamed up in Odessa today to provide residents with one of the most important things all households need: smoke alarms. Meals on Wheels Odessa already provides senior members of the community with meals every week. But they saw the need for smoke alarms amongst those that use their services, so they teamed up with the Red Cross to install some for free.
Well, you know, the time just changed, and that's a great reminder twice a year to check the batteries in your smoke alarm. It just kind of ticked in my brain that, hey, we could partner with the Red Cross to help out the clients of Meals on Wheels. Again, this is another opportunity to partner with another organization here locally to help those in need. But the Red Cross did more than just help provide smoke alarms. They also provided valuable knowledge.
The other thing we do is educate them on what to do. You always want to have two ways to escape during a fire. Most people don't think about that. You think, I'm just going to go out the front door. You may not be able to get out through your front door, so you need to know how to get out other ways. Bedroom window maybe, you know, something like that, or an alternate path because the fire may be blocking your exit.
Recipients of the smoke alarms were grateful to all the volunteers that came out to help.
I'm so happy. I'm so glad, you know, but this is awesome. I really need this. You know, we don't know when anything can come, you know, like a fire or whatever against us.
Stoker says that they ended up installing a little over 200 smoke alarms today in total.